In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Duolingo Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the shop, what's inside it, and how each option can help you stay motivated and make faster progress in your language learning. Start by opening Duolingo in your browser and heading to the shop page. Once you're on the main site and signed in, look to the left side of the screen and click on Shop. That single click takes you to a dedicated area where Duolingo groups together subscriptions, hearts, power-ups, and daily rewards so you can manage everything in one place. Right at the top, you may see the option to start a family plan. This is Duolingo's way of letting multiple people share the benefits of a single Super Duolingo subscription under one plan. It typically includes perks like an ad-free experience, progress boosters, and other premium features for everyone on the plan. If you're learning with family members or friends, this can be a cost-effective way to keep everyone engaged and on track. Scroll a little and you'll see hearts. Hearts represent your attempts during lessons. When you make mistakes, you use them up. The shop shows you how many you have and what you can do about it. If you're running low, click on Refill Hearts. This option usually lets you use in-app currency to top them up instantly so you can keep practicing without interruption. If you prefer not to spend, remember that Duolingo often allows you to restore hearts gradually over time or through practice activities, but the refill button is the fastest route when you're in the middle of a streak. You'll also notice unlimited hearts. This is commonly part of a Super Duolingo membership and removes the heart cap during lessons, which is great for longer study sessions or tackling tougher skills without worrying about running out of attempts. Next, check out power-ups. These are boosters that enhance your learning routine. Typical examples include a streak freeze to protect your daily streak, an XP boost to multiply points earned for a short period, and challenges like double or nothing that reward consistent practice. Power-ups are ideal for keeping momentum, especially during busy weeks. Finally, explore daily quests. These are bite-sized tasks that reward you for regular activity. Click on View All to see the complete list for the day, track your progress, and claim any rewards you've earned. That's it. Open Duolingo, click Shop on the left, and use the options that fit your goals. Family plan for shared benefits, hearts and refills to stay in the flow, unlimited hearts for longer sessions, power-ups for motivation, and daily quests to keep your streak strong.